Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by Spanish Town and we're going to give you a tour of the busiest roundabout in Jamaica. Now the road at the bottom of the screen where you see that truck pulling over, that is Spanish Town Road. And the road directly across is Spanish Town Road. So Spanish Town Road goes right through the roundabout basically. Now to where we are, and we're going around the roundabout, the first left road, that is Wellington Drive, and that takes you into Spanish Town. Sorry, Wellington Street takes you into Spanish Town. Then the next road, which is the one directly ahead, that is Spanish Town Bypass. And then the road beside that one now, going around, that is Highway 2000 Road, and that takes you on to Highway 2000. And then the other road, which is a road directly to the right, that is Old Harbour Road. So this is the busiest roundabout in Jamaica. Now, the road at the bottom of the screen, that takes you to the Bogwalk Gorge. When going around the left turn, which is Wellington Street, that takes you into Spanish Town. The next road, which is the Spanish Town Bypass, takes you back to Twickenham Park and into Kingston, takes you towards Mandela Highway. And then the other road, which is the Highway 2000 Road, that takes you to the highway and also to that area back there where you have all the warehouses being built. And then the road to the right is Old Harbour Road, and that takes you to Old Harbour. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. As you can see how busy this roundabout is. And actually I think it's the only roundabout that has 5 roads connecting to it in Jamaica. If anybody knows, I can think of any other road, any other roundabout that has 5 roads connecting to it, let us know. Leave a comment in the section below. Another busy roundabout is out by Harbourview, but that is 4 lanes, not as busy as this road, because this road takes you to the 3 busiest areas in Jamaica, or the 3 areas with the largest populations: Spanish Town, Kingston, and Portmore. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Have a good day.